Hi, I'm Andy Warren, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Hi, this is Russ Festino with another episode of Russ Cam. This one here, we're down in Tampa, in Ybor City, for SQL Saturday 110. And we're here at K-Force office, really nice host. Had many events here in the past, and we have a lot of great guests lined up to show you here in this episode.
I'm Andy Warren. I'm a DBA in Orlando. Well, I've done a lot of stuff over the years. I participated in SQL Server Central. I helped start SQL Saturday, and I was on the past board for a while.
Yeah, so how did SQL Saturday start anyway?
Well, it really started because we went to code camps, and we thought there was something interesting there, and we wanted the same thing for the SQL Server community.
Right. And then where was the first one held?
In Orlando.
Right, Orlando, right?
4 years ago.
And was this the second one here in Tampa?
It was.
That's what I thought.
Did a great job
yeah.
with number 2.
Yeah, well, hats off to you, man. I tell you, man, I'm getting SQL Saturday notices in my email. It seems like every day a new one's popping up now.
There's a lot of them popping up. A lot of international ones going on right
Is that so?
Yeah, a lot in
wow.
Brazil. We got some coming up in Turkey.
Well, did you ever, this is SQL Saturday 110. Did you ever think it would be this big after number 1, like 109 ago?
I'll be honest, we did. And it was kind of the hope, right? We tried to build the franchise model from the beginning.
Yeah.
We certainly never expected that it would succeed to this extent.
Well, I tell you, you got a real machine now. I know the website's real easy to navigate, very easy to get at all the different SQL Saturday locations. And you got the full-time people working on this now,
Yep.
right?
Yep. Carla Landrum, she's full-time at headquarters, basically. All she does is SQL Saturday in chapters.
That's awesome. That is just awesome. It's a real testament to the community, right?
It is, absolutely.
You got the database community.
A lot of work.
Absolutely, and also I noticed there's a good cross section here. You know, there's some developers, there's some DBAs,
Sure.
so you got a little something for everybody. You know.
Yep, absolutely. I see a lot of different people here, a lot of new people.
And what was the session you did today?
I did one on SQL Server Security for developers.
My name is Joshua Fennessy. I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I am a business intelligence architect with a local BI consulting company up there called BlueGranite.
I think you're in a good niche there, huh? With the BI, it seems to be exploding.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. It's only gotten bigger over the last 7 years. So
yeah.
It adds a whole new level of reporting and analysis to the business. And, today I'm doing a session on Cube Writeback, which is an often underused feature of Analysis Services Cube. So it allows us to take what's normally a read-only database and actually write data directly back to that database through the use of tools like Excel 2010. 2009 was my first SQL Saturday ever. So I've been doing these for a while. This is my 3rd one this year so far, and I actually helped to plan and organize SQL Saturday in Kalamazoo.
Oh, cool. Now, is this your first time in Tampa for SQL Saturday?
This is my first time in Tampa ever in my life.
Ever?
Yes.
Well, you know how to pick your SQL Saturdays right here in Ybor City. We'll go do some partying when we get done.
Yeah, it was. I got to see a whole lot of Ybor City last night.
Did you really? Yeah.
Really fun time. It's called BlueGranite Nitro. So it's created by my company BlueGranite. Well, the company I work for, BlueGranite. And what it is, it's a mobile phone application for Windows Phone 7.
Yeah. That
allows us to connect directly to either a Cube source through a web service, directly to SQL Azure, or to a reporting service report. And what we can actually interact with these reports too. So if I hold my finger down on one of these, I can start to get some tool tips on some of the different bars I'm looking at.
Yeah.
And we can have multi-pages in here. So you'll see across the top as I swipe left and right, I can actually do a bubble chart and get some of that information. We have a funnel as well, and then we can also do some geospatial with mapping right on here too, where we're rendering reporting services reports right on the phone.
How cool is that?
And so we can do that. And then we can do scorecards as well, where we can do that. And we also have an iPhone application as well. So you can download this app for free, and you can even set it up yourself for free and run it in your enterprise.
I'll have to show you that active analysis before we head out of here and let you see our BI component that we have.
I'd love to see
and it's pretty cool. I just finished up a 10-part blog series.
Okay.
So I got everything from creating an app from scratch to building a BI dashboard programmatically. So it's very cool stuff.
I'm Arvin Meyer. I'm a Microsoft Access MVP. I have been one for 12 years now.
Oh man, what are you thinking of SQL Saturday here today?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
I went to see Kendall Van Dyke's VirtualBox demo.
Yeah.
Great demo.
Oh yeah?
He shows you how to virtualize SQL Server, and that is outstanding.
Wow, good stuff there.
I'm working on a presentation to start giving Access BI with SQL Server.
Yeah.
Now that'll be interesting.
That will be. That's good. This episode of Russ Cam is brought to you by ActiveReports from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Surfing the web?
Yeah, you ever tried to surf the web on your phone?
It's a little small.
Especially when you're looking at a big list like the new feature list for ActiveReports 6.
Oh yeah.
We've been using it for 15 years. The coolest new feature is the new Silverlight Report Viewer. What's cool about it, of course, it's both native Silverlight for printing, but it's also got PDF support, so that really minimizes the amount of data that has to come over the wire. ActiveReports from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Smarter components for smarter developers.
Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news. Plus, follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Very first initiative we had to educate developers about SQL, about security.
Sorry, the guys are heckling.
That's okay. I know. I got hecklers over there.